Adding a timer kit to a 9600B. First thing you do is remove the lid. We've already removed this lid. And I would take a picture with your cell phone to see where all the wiring was at. That way you have a visual reference later. Once you have a picture of it, remove all the wiring. Remove that conduit nut. Remove this ground lug and the wire in the lug. Remove this box. Behind that box will be a black plug. Pop off that black plug. After you get that black plug removed, install the new conduit box. Reinstall everything just like you have found it, except for the plug, of course. And then we're ready for the next step. Once you get this installed, this box here installed, you need to remove the lid. It's just 2 screws. Remove the lid. Once you remove the lid off your switch box, we need to feed this wire through the conduit. It'll go in this hole. It'll come out up here. Now, once you feed, you'll push it in here, and you'll push it, and it'll come out here. Once it comes out here, you'll have these 2 wires here, and they'll go into T1 and T2. It does not matter which one you put it in, black on T1, red on T2, it's fine. The other end of the wire, you hook it right here on 2 terminals. In the drawer of your machine will have a key. That key will open up the motor door. Once you open your motor door, that'll give you access to your motor compartment. This is that conduit you just fed that wire through. That's that conduit. Now you'll take your timer box kit. We've already removed the lid for quickness of the video. You have 4 mounting holes on the back of this box. You'll take this conduit that's pre-cut, pre-measured, pre-wired, and you'll feed the wire through that hole that in that bottom of that conduit on the switch box or incoming power box. Feed it through there. Hook up your conduit. And that will tell you your spacing of this. Now you'll take 4 of these screws with a 5/16 bit, and you will put the screws in them 4 corners. If you only get 2, that's fine. 2 is enough to hold it. 4 is best. Once you get this mounted, now the simple part is you got to hook up your air lines. Come here, you push, pull. That's all you do. Push on the blue, pull on the hose. Now you push, push. That valve's hooked up. Do the same thing to the other valve. Basically, we're putting a T in each one of these. We do have excess amount of hose, but that's fine. That just gives you a little easier to work with later. Once you're done, put your lid back on your box. This toggle switch turns on and off the timer. Once in a while, the timer the pulsing is so, if you got a new employee, it may be scary for them. You may have to turn it off. I don't recommend turning it off. Your filter will plug up a lot. Plug up works.